In your mind, you probably expect your free-range eggs to come from chickens that live like this. In reality, it probably comes from conditions more like this. Intensive factory farming is South Africa's response to the increasing demand for cheap and fast produce. As a result, factory farms have had a severe and a damaging effect on our planet, animals, and people. In honor of World Farm Animal Day, we spoke to an expert about the state of farm animal welfare in South Africa.
I'm Betha Motiani, Campaigns Officer for 4Paws in South Africa, and today we're going to be talking about the state of livestock farming in South Africa and how it affects you. Because of the high demand for animal products, there is generally an intensified system that is used. We've done away with the traditional ways of bringing up animals, and because of this, there are very many animal welfare issues that come with the intensified animal agriculture.
In the poultry industry alone, over 1 billion animals are killed every single year, with many living their entire lives in a space no larger than an A4 piece of paper.
Imagine yourself spending your entire life in an A4 size cage, and you are being fed because you have to achieve a certain weight for you to be slaughtered, and you've never seen the sun, you've never experienced the nature. We must look at our health. When we talk about our health, we are talking about zoonotic diseases. We talk about diseases that come from animals to humans. And then we talk about the general loss of biodiversity. So much scarce land and scarce water resources are used in this production. And it puts only a strain on already South Africa, which is already a water scarce country.
Approximately 14.5% to 51% of global greenhouse gas emissions come from the production of meat. This makes it a substantial driver of global warming.
South Africa is farming pigs, cows, and sheep in the same manner. And remember, these are not only farmed for food, we now also know that they are farmed for their textiles. People are more educated, there's information out there, research has been done, we are being warned by some of the greatest research institutions. They are indicating what we are doing to our planet through this intensive animal agriculture. 4Paws has released a farm animal report, and it is available on our website. You can find it on the link below, just to learn and find the context and understand the dynamic of this industry in South Africa.
If you enjoyed this video, please support us by visiting our website, liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Let's work together for animal welfare worldwide.